How to bold, italic, underline text in Discord. So right here for an example, I have this 4 sentences right here. So to make a sentence bold, what you have to do is you have to add 2 asterisks in the beginning and at the end of the sentence. Let me go ahead and show you. Add 2 asterisks in the front, and let's go ahead and add 2 asterisks at the back. Now once you do that, you can see the sentence is now bold. Now to make it italic, make sure you add 1 asterisk in the front and 1 asterisk at the end of the sentence. Now as you can see, simply like that, this is in italic right now. Now to underline it, go ahead and add 2 underscore in the beginning of the sentence and go ahead and add 2 underscore at the end of it. Now as you can see, it is underlined. Now for the bonus point, here is the combination of all of this. For that, add 2 underscore and 3 asterisk, 2 for bold and 1 for italic. And again, at the end of the sentence, go ahead and add 3 asterisk and 2 underscore, and just like that, you can see you have the combination of bold, italic and underline. Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.